Hi there! As an owner of the Luvele yogurt maker, I wanted to briefly introduce you to our amazing fresh vacuum container sets. Like our yogurt makers that use either the ceramic jars or glass container, we have designed our vacuum container sets to be 100% plastic free. We all know how important it is becoming to reduce our plastic footprint, along with the importance of having plastic-free food storage solutions. This is why we have designed our fresh vacuum container sets for our amazing community to enjoy. There are unlimited ways you can enjoy your Luvele fresh vacuum containers, from meal prepping, preserving leftovers, controlling portion sizes, or simplifying reheating. They will also help you to reduce food waste, save money, and get more organised in the kitchen. Our glass containers are made with super strong borosilicate glass, which makes them thermoshock resistant, so they are oven safe, microwave safe, dishwasher safe, and can be stored in the freezer. We've designed our glass containers with 304 food grade stainless steel lids, as well as our medical grade toxic free silicone seals, which help to create a reliable vacuum fresh seal. So drop by our website today to check out the plastic-free food storage options available to you. Thanks for your time, and if you have any questions, please feel free to email us anytime. Thanks and bye for now.